Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Students, as you know, today we are going to start the new unit. So all of you open your books, page number 43. Now we are starting unit number 6 and the unit name is the beauty of buildings. What is the name? The beauty of buildings. Today in this unit we will read chapter number 1. What are buildings? What are buildings? Okay students, first tell me, have you seen any building near your house? Yes? Okay. Now can you tell me the name of those buildings which you have seen near your house or in the city? Yes? Tell me. Building of a house, very good. Building of restaurant, good. Building of school, and building of, yes, hospital, very good, well done. So today in this chapter we are also going to read about these different type of buildings. So let's take a start. All of you keep finger on the right word. A building is a structure made of different construction materials where people live, work and play. It means a building is a structure made up of different constructing materials, and the materials may be brick, wood, glass, etc. And building is a place where people live, work and play. Like in a house. House is also just like a building where people live, they work. Okay. Now the buildings can be of many different shapes and sizes. Okay. These are not same. The buildings may be different in size and shapes. You can see the pictures. There are some pictures given to you of different buildings. First picture is shown of apartments. The building of apartments. There are so many apartments in this building. Now the second picture of a house. The building of a house. And you can see the difference in size and shape is different from each other. The next is skyscraper. Huge building. Another castle, very beautiful building. And then the next picture is of monuments. Have you seen the monuments? Where? In Islamabad. Whenever you visit to Islamabad, you must see this beautiful building, okay? Monuments. And the next picture is of trailer. And this is just like a truck. Okay. Now students, your home task is that on workbook page number 45, you have to label the pictures of different buildings. Okay? And if you feel any difficulty, you can ask me. Rahmanir-Rahim. Students, today we are going to start unit number 6, chapter number 2. But before going to start, first tell me that what we read in the previous chapter. Yes, we read about the buildings. That what are buildings? And the buildings are a structure made of different constructing materials, and materials may be brick, wood, glass, etc. where people live, work and play. And buildings can be of many different shapes and sizes. Now today we are going to read about that who built our buildings. That who built these beautiful buildings for us. So we will start. There are many people who construct our buildings. This is not the work of a single person. There are so many people working together and then they construct a building. Okay, as you can see in the picture. Who's he? He is the architect. Okay, what the architect do? The architect draws a plan for the building on a piece of paper. Okay, for example, if we want to make a house, first the architect design it. Okay, that where should be the drawing room, where should be the bedroom, where should be the kitchen, the washroom, etc. And then after that, the second person is the laborers. What the laborer do? The laborers does all the manual labor. He works very hard. As you can see in the picture, the laborer pick up all the bricks on his head and his work is very tough. Then he brings all the bricks to the other person, which is the mason. Okay, now who's the mason and what he do? The mason puts the bricks in their places. Okay, like this in the picture. He puts the bricks in their places. He binds them with cement. As you can see in the picture, he binds it with the cement, all the bricks. And then the next person is a plumber. What the plumber do? The plumber lays the pipes before the roof and floor are made. Okay, before the roof and floor are made, he lays the pipes. He fixes the washroom and the kitchen.